In this tutorial, we're going to go through our emergency fund technology and our AI. This is located in two different places. One, it's on your financial plan, but we also have a separate AI that will actually look at your complete profile and give you a recommendation on how many months you should have in your emergency fund. So the key here, just like all the other types of tools that we have, you want to make sure that your profile is up to date. So this means coming here to day-to-day money, making sure that your budgeted money over here is up to date because this goes into your emergency fund information. And you also want to make sure that your debt is up to date because we do look at some of these monthly payments on your debt. But this is also very important for the emergency fund AI, your human capital. We pull this in and look at the risk to your future income essentially, and that's how we can adjust what our recommendation is. So make sure that this is completed as well. Now I'm going to go through the first place you can use an emergency fund information on our profiles, and that is in our plan builder. If you haven't built a plan already, you can click in here, build a plan, go to that tutorial. It'll show you how to walk through building a plan. I'm going to go into one that I already have built to show you this. If I come here to additional questions, you'll see here, enter the amount of emergency fund you'd like to have. So you see here, this is 3 months. These are my expenses from my plan that I built. So it will tell me how much I need to save. Now, the reason why I wanted to go through this in this tutorial is because when you build your financial plan using this technology, and when you implement the plan, so say this is the plan I decided to do and I decided to implement it, okay? I can then turn around and it will automatically, the technology automatically puts in a savings goal for me if I don't have my emergency fund. So let's just say in this example, I have $5,000 in a bank account. This is telling me I need $7,600. It will set a savings goal for me as part of my financial plan to save that emergency fund. Okay, so that's how the emergency fund information and calculator works in our financial plan builder. Now, if you're saying, well, how many months should I have? That's where you can use our AI. So to access that, you would go back to your dashboard and you can click tools and products, and then underneath here, other financial items, you can click emergency fund optimization. And I can click here and it says, how much should I have in an emergency fund? You don't have to do anything else. As long as your profile is up to date, it will pull in the information into this AI, okay? Now you can see that this one says 3 months. That's our recommendation based on basically the human capital and everything else about this individual. And then you can see what that target dollar amount would be on this specific demo profile. And so that is how you use the emergency fund on our platform. One is in your plan builder, and then the other one is using our AI to determine and get a recommendation based on your personal situation of how much you should have in an account. See you guys soon.